Hi, this is Vince Curie. I'm getting back into oil painting. Um, I studied oil painting in my 30s, and recently I realized I got so far into it. I studied it for like 5 years, and I was quite good at it, but I have nothing to show. Um, so I got some equipment. I got good oils, the oils that I used years ago, the Winsor Newton Professional. And I purchased an easel, a desktop easel. I purchased this at Blake's Art Merchandise. So it's a company out by me. So rather than using this on a dining room table, I utilized one of my, this is a, if you want to call it a bed serving tray. It's adjustable, it goes up and down. So I realized that all my weight's hanging off the front. So what I decided to do was reinforce that. I had to hold the front of it up because it's designed to be cantilever, hinging on one point. So I built this in my shop, and I extended the bottom past here with the heavy duty wheel in the front. All right, I put a well there, and I put a well here, and one over here. Of course, I could finish this up. 5/16 bolt, 5/16 bolt. Five 16 bolt through here. 5/16 bolt through there, and self-tapping. And 2 self-tapping. 1 self-tapping, 2, and 1 bolt. And then I purchased this on Amazon. It's a pull-out drawer. Then I purchased this monitor. It goes vertical, and it'll go horizontal also. Swivel right here. Has a very, very well built arm holding it up. It mounts to the table on the bottom, and this moves around. This moves around, and it'll go up and down. Okay, so I have it hooked to my network, and when I want to, I project pictures from my computer onto the monitor, so I could actually draw with the monitor either vertically or horizontally. And then I put a 2 foot by 2 foot panel. It's a birch panel. And right now, since I'm doing this particular painting, I sized this in my computer, and then I printed this out. I have a large printer. It's 11 by 17. It's a HP. It's an all-in-one. So in order to get my proportions, I use the divider, a proportion measurer, where you I'm making it 1-to-1. So you make reference lines this way and this way, and then you measure off your reference lines. Like, for example, the middle of the puppy's nose. And you bring this over here, and then you could do the height of the head. And bring that over here. This I gotta correct, as you can see. That's the purpose of this. All right. Just thought I'd share that. This goes in and out, this particular drawer, goes in and out. And then I got thick tempered glass to mix my paints. And I built this last night. That's the brush holder. And I built this, goes across wood that holds the bottom of the canvas. This is a linen board on MDF. And I made this up yesterday to hold the top in. Glue on the bottom of these. And this swivels. The drawer. I mark the floor where the wheels go, and it gives me light. And it lights this up and lights this up evenly. Now, for doing certain work, I also have a projector. Yeah, that's a projector. And that will project a photo on the canvas. And then you could trace it out. And here's the pencils that I use. It's not graphite. And supposedly you could paint over this. But I like this picture. I have a Labrador, but I have a chocolate. So when I paint this, I think I'm going to tone down the black. This is black blue. You can see a lot of the blue in it. I'm going to tone it down with some raw umber. I thought I'd share that. This is nice. It rolls around. I can mix my paints right here. And once you're done with your paint, you could scrape it off. The fact that it's glass, you could scrape off the old paint to make the surface ready. I'll post as this is in work. And if you want to see my laminator, I'll show you that. All right, HP printer all in one. Office Jet Pro 7740. All right, here's the laminator. I got this on Amazon. It comes with a corner cutter. It rounds the ends off, and a hole punch if you need, and a cutter. And all of that is stored up here. And this will print out what they call A3. A3. It's considered a teacher's laminator that they could use for their students' artwork and stuff. And here's I bought 100 sheets, and the 8.5 by 11 comes with this. Very nice. Works very good. You could see the widths. You know, the A3 and the regular size. The regular size paper goes in here between. You line them up. You feed them. Okay, I set the monitor up. That's a good spot. The only thing is I haven't been able to figure out how to actually make the monitor itself go to portrait. Doesn't seem to want to do it. I gotta wait till I contact support. In the meantime, I opened it up in Photoshop, and then I dragged it to that one, and then off the right of that one, and it came over here. And then I had to come over here to image and select rotate, and then you click it 2 times, rotate 90 degrees clockwise to get it like this. And then if I zoom in and out, it enlarges. See, if I do the zoom, it'll enlarge to about this right here. I'm going to be also painting my wife.